This is Ugbo. Ugbo is in Agwu local government area of Enugu State. This is a kind of a festival, the age grade. They are being initiated in the age grade system. So, as you can see, you can see how it's happening. A lot of activities as you are joining. Tell us where you are joining from. Tell us where you are. Anywhere you are all over the world, let us know. As you are joining, tell us where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are all over the world. Let us know. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Amoko Community TV. This is a culture for the people age grade. It unites the age grade. It makes them to know their set. Helps them to organize and also promote the local communities. This is a festival. Ugbo is a community in Agwu local government area of Enugu State. The age grade system, they dance around the community. People are praising them. Young adults. Guys are the youths. People living in different places. You know, people living in abroad also come back for this very festival. It's a very wonderful one. As you can see, it's still young boys, all boys. This is also a masquerade. It's all part of the show. Masquerade is part of the show. Everything you see is part of the show. So as you can see, the masquerade is dancing. Ugbo Agwu Cultural Festival. Tell us where you're joining us from. Tell us where you are. Do you know Ugbo? Tell us what you know about Ugbo. Ugbo is in Agwu local government area of Enugu State, southeastern part of Nigeria. Anywhere you're joining us from, this is a culture. Culture is the people's way of life. This is what makes them happy. You can see they came back from all over the world, from different places. And make sure you share this video. Make sure you share this video. Let it go viral too. And make sure you have gone to our YouTube to subscribe, because if we have any issue with this Facebook, we are going to YouTube to continue. So continue joining us, continue sharing, continue commenting. Ugbo Agwu Grand Finale 2024. This is the final. They are even dragging the masquerade so that it will not spoil anything. The masquerade is being dragged. You can see. Make sure you have shared this video. Make sure you have followed Amoko TV. Make sure you like us. Make sure you have joined our YouTube Amoko Community TV YouTube channel. They say culture is the people's way of life. You can see.
And